Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be looking into the short summary of the poem When You Are Old. When You Are Old is a romantic poem of William Butler Yeats. The poet, as a lover, imagines how his beloved in the future will appear. He picturizes her how she, in her old age, will have grey hairs and sleepy eyes. He tells her that if she is feeling sleepy, sitting in front of a warm fireplace to pick his book of poems he has written. He asks her to read his poetry slowly and remember how beautiful she was and the soft, shadowy eyes. Even though she had many admirers who loved her only for her beauty, and Grace the poet was the only one to admire her and loved her truly, one who understood that her soul was searching for a meaningful love. When she realized that the poet was the only person to have truly loved her, she is overcome by sorrow and remorse. But by then, the poet is dead.